What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's are well. So let's today we will recover an suspended Facebook account in live. So let's start our today's video. At first, subscribe game Rokon Cyber channel for more videos. So let's at first we need to log in that suspended. We are just logged for the suspended. Okay, after login here we can see this type of interface. At first we need to inspect this for mobile view. Okay, let's we will refresh this page. Okay, okay, after refreshing we will see this type of interface. On the top icon we are seeing here and setting we will check it. Okay, there is no any other options without download information, change language and logout option just. Okay, let's we have right now upload your id options. Now we will upload an id here. Okay, let's we will click on upload. Okay, then I will select the card and open it. Okay, right now you can see that my card has been uploaded and now I will click on submitted button. Okay, let's see. Now right now you can see that 10 to 03 a.m. and you can see the date. Okay, so let's show it how many times needed to recover this. Okay, you can see that we have submitted 20 August 2026 and it's now today's 21. Okay, let's we'll refresh the page. We'll just check it how many times needed and we'll click on setting and seeing there are no any other options to recover this account. Okay, we'll again refresh. Okay, we'll again refresh the page. Hope it will back in 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, sometimes needed too many times, but sometimes it has been in shorted. Okay, let's we'll again refresh it. Okay, now you can sing live in 10 into 0 3 a.m. I submitted and 10 into 04 a.m. it has been recovered. Now I will click on not now and you will see the account details here in Nishanto Islam. I have successfully recovered this account in within just 1 minute. I have submitted the card and it has been reviewed into 1 minute. Okay, so let's if you have any kind of issues, you can message contact with me or message me on my Telegram. Can join for Telegram and you can see here my contact details. Here is Telegram, my WhatsApp number and Facebook page. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.